Hi, this is Matt Wegner with FinancialExcellence.net. Today I'm talking about Facebook pages and how to create a page for your business. I actually get a lot of people that ask me as they want to they want to get into the Facebook scene and they want to have a Facebook page for their business, but they're not really sure how. So today I'm actually setting up a business page for a friend of mine who asked me the same question, and I said, why don't I just do it for you and do a screen capture? So what we want to do is, if you look at the screen here, I've got my Facebook page, Matt Wegner Financial Coaching. And the way we want to start this is once you're logged into Facebook, if you go to any page out there, and hey, I highly recommend you go to mine. It's facebook.com/financial excellence. All right, sorry for the shameless plug there. But down on the left-hand side, there's a little button called Create a Page. And I click on that, and it's going to open up and ask you, well, what kind of page do you want? Now we've got a local business or a place, a company or a brand or product, entertainment, artist, band, public figure, cause or community. We're going to open up a local business or place. And what we want to do is we're going to pick the right category. Now, I'm doing this for Bell Junction Baskets, owned by Julie Chisholm. She's a friend of mine, and she does a phenomenal job with her products. And we just need to find the right type of category here. So I think we're going to call this, we could call it maybe a business service, or we're going to call it maybe just a local business. Let's call it a local business for now. The business is Bell Junction Baskets, and the street address, I'm going to pull this off of her website here. You know what, maybe she doesn't have her address. Nope, she doesn't. So I'm going to enter that in later. And basically you go in there, and we're in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And the zip code, we can do that later. Her phone number, though, from the contacts, actually from right here, 920-980-2105. And one last check, make sure I got that right. I did. Okay, we agreed to the Facebook terms. We're going to go ahead and get started. Oh, we have to fill in. All right, so I'm going to pause this and come back, and we're going to enter in the address. Okay, I'm back. And we know that Julie's address is, for Bell Junction Baskets, is 803 Pleasant View Road. And that's actually in Plymouth, Wisconsin. Oops. Zip code is 53073. Now we're going to get started. And here we are. We have the shell of her page done already. So what we are going to do then is let's add an image. And I don't have any images for Julie's website. Maybe we could pick this image here and download it and upload it again later. Or we could go to her gift baskets and maybe pick a few of those. And there's some different things, and I'll work with her webmaster and with her to make sure we get some images uploaded there. And she's got several different pictures here that we could look at with light blocks and different gift baskets. And, maybe this would be a good one. And, I wonder if we can't just click and drag. It doesn't look like we can. So I'll go back to the home page. Can I click and drag that? Let's find out. No, we can't. So what we'll do is we'll store the image on our website. Now that image will go up here, or I'll store the image on my computer and then upload it. We can then upload other pictures. We can go and suggest to our friends. We can tell all our fans. If we've got contacts, we can import those and send out an email to all of our contacts. We can start then sending out status updates. We can promote the page by adding a like box to our website and set up all kinds of different things. But this is the basics of how do you set that up. Now, if you go to info over here, this is their basic location, and we can edit the info and we can add pictures, and we will do that at some point. But right now, this is just the basic info for the business. Now is where we can start adding in all about what Bell Junction Baskets is. And we'll create, hey, here's what you need to know about them. Here's a description of what they do. Here's the general information on, how do you get a hold of them. You can do a price specification, a price range. Parking doesn't really apply in this case. Public transit doesn't apply. We'll put an email, and then we'll put a website in here. Bell Junction Baskets.com. And I'm going to come back in and add all this stuff later. You can also put your hours and things like that in there. But the main idea here is that we've entered in the info for the page, and then we go back to view the page here. And this is where, as your wall, you can start updating statuses and letting people know what they need to know about your business. You can share stories or photos. You can post some links and things like that. That's all there is to setting up your Facebook like page, your business page. And there are a lot of things you can do with it from here, but that's just the basics. And the amount of info that you can add will depend on what type of page you've set up, whether it's a business or an artist or celebrity or a different type of category. That will kind of dictate what type of information you put in here. But that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you've got yourself a Facebook fan page or a business page, and we're going to go ahead, since I'm on Julie's profile, and she's going to like it. Now we got one person that likes it, and you can start sharing it with other people, and that's it. Now you've got yourself a Facebook page. So it doesn't take a whole lot. Now the next trick is actually using it to interact with your audience, and that's a whole different story. So I hope this was helpful. It was real simple, real easy to do, and I hope you use that to set up your own business page on Facebook. Thanks for listening. I'm Matt Wegner with FinancialExcellence.net.